Hey family, Sir here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you an update on the second round of stimulus checks, eviction protection, and unemployment benefits. I recently put out a video breaking down the rental assistance portion of the stimulus bill that was passed in Congress last week. Well, things have changed, and here is a quick rundown. Now, I could add clips and bring up tweets and past bills, but I want to make this quick and objective and to the point. Now, if I insert my opinion into this, I will preface it by saying I believe or I think. Everything else is strictly objective and just presenting you the facts. All right, Congress passed a huge stimulus bill just a couple days ago, and while it was marketed as a corona relief bill, everyone in Washington knew that it was two bills put together. They put the two bills together to try to kill two birds with one stone. The first bill is the omnibus bill, which funds the entire government. And then the second bill was the COVID relief bill. Now, everyone knew this. The White House was negotiating with Congress to put together the whole omnibus bill. But when Trump got the bill, he seemed shocked that all this additional money was included in this COVID relief bill. He highlighted disdain for the money going to foreign countries and said the $600 to Americans proposed in the bill was simply not enough. Trump blamed the Democrats for not including more stimulus money to the American people. However, back in May, the House Democrats passed a bill that would have given Americans a second stimulus check, in addition to the one they received in March or April, of an additional $1,200. And Republicans in the Senate shot that down. And Republicans in the Senate have had that bill since then. Now, if you want to, all of this is public record and you can research this on your own. But time after time, Democrat after Democrat proposed a bill that would provide Americans with at least $1,200. And in the last several months, both Bernie Sanders and Kamala Harris have partnered together to propose a bill to give Americans $2,000 a month stimulus during this trying time. But Mitch McConnell and the Republicans didn't want to do that either. So right now, Trump has not said he's going to veto the stimulus bill, but he did say that it was a disdain and a disgrace. So that does not leave us with much hope thinking that he's going to sign it. And if Trump does not sign the stimulus bill, that means not only are the stimulus checks not going to happen, but there will not be any rental assistance, nor will there be an extended unemployment benefit of $300 for the next 11 weeks. This morning, the Democrats said that they agree with Trump and that Americans should get a check between $2,000 to $4,000 at a minimum. But House Republicans did not agree with this statement. So this coming Monday, the 28th, Monday or Tuesday, the House will be voting on this $2,000 stimulus. And because the Democrats have the majority in the House, this $2,000 stimulus bill that Trump has agreed to as well will be passed in the House. And then it will be sent to the Senate, where the Senate Republicans will be in a very awkward position because you have the Republican president, Donald Trump, saying, look, Americans need more money. They should get at least $2,000. You have the Democrats saying, yes, we agree, Americans need more money, and had put in the bill and passed the bill saying, okay, here's the $2,000. And then the Senate Republicans will be seen as not providing aid to the American people. Now remember, currently the Republicans control the Senate, so they will be the ones deciding if Americans can receive that $2,000 stimulus check, because Trump has already agreed to it and the Democrats have already agreed to it. Now, I believe that Trump is 100% correct. Americans deserve a lot more than the $600 that's proposed in the stimulus bill. However, if the stimulus bill gets thrown to the wayside completely and the Republicans do not concede in raising or giving additional monies, that means the unemployment benefits go away and the eviction protection goes away and the rental assistance goes away. So you will see thousands or millions, actually millions of people being evicted in the coming months. So what will happen next remains to be seen. As soon as there's any update, I will provide that to you all so you can be kept abreast of everything that is taking place. Hope you all are enjoying your families and that you have a Merry Christmas. Talk soon.